A little farther targets this time. You think I'm going to hit them? Think I'll be 3 for 3? Think I'll be 3 misses? Well, stay tuned and find out. Lock and load. Safety low. Well, had a jam up. Cheap shells for you. Safety on, gun set down. Told you a little bit farther than normal. I missed a couple. It happens. Well, I'll let you guys walk out there with me. One, two, three. Well, thank you for watching Bubba's Life. I wish I would have shot all three with 3 shots, but hey, you know, get better until you practice a little bit. But the bad thing is 22 shells are hard to find. I don't know about where you're at right now, but they're definitely hard to find around here. And sorry about my speech problem. If you don't know, I was in that bad wreck a few years ago, and it messed up my talking a little bit, but hey, I'm still talking, I'm still here, so thank you for watching Bubba's Life. I hope you all have a great day.